Okay, one of the things I've discovered that it's easier to remove the tire by just pushing on the bar with your hip rather than trying to pull on it with your hands, because your hands slip off the bar and go flying. So that's the tire removed. Here is the new tire. And we will begin with a copious application of Dawn dish soap. Now we just shove it on a little bit, and it kind of goes on almost completely. If you just keep working it, it sort of keeps going a little bit at a time, because the Dawn dish soap lets it slide. But eventually you have to take the bar. Now, I don't know what this end is for. Other videos that I've seen show you using this part. I never use that part. It's totally worthless to me. So, and I lift it up, slip it on, slide it away. Rotate it, and slip it on. Okay, now comes the tough part. I'm going to take this nice rag here and this pair of vice grips. I'm going to come over here, double up the rag, and clamp the vice grips on. Okay, now that stops the tire from going. Now I can start pushing around like I did before, except it's harder this time. So what I'll do now is use this end and work it over. Now the important thing is to push the tire down as you do it. And keep it on the thinner part of the rim. This rim where the diameter is less. Then you just lift it up each time. Now when you get it more than halfway around like I have here, it's not going to try to come off. So now you're going to find it's a little bit more difficult to get it in. Here's how you do it. You get this other bar, you lay it across here, and then you lift that up a ways and slide it through. Then you're done. You can pull that off. Oh, there we go. Remove this, and we're done.